Hi everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So the biggest news of today is that Infosys cracked around 10% and the entire IT sector dropped by 5%. So this is the biggest news, and the reason behind it is that Infosys missed the Q4 growth expected growth rate. Okay, so as smart investors and traders, we are obviously not interested in knowing the cause of the fall. Okay, what we are interested in is the effect and how we are going to deal with such information. Okay, what does this minus 10% drop in Infosys share price means to us and how we can utilize it in our favor. Okay, so all these things we are going to discuss today. Let's go to the screen and check the charts first. Okay, so this is the chart of Infosys in daily time frame, but first of all let me show you the news article. Okay, so here you can read it. Infosys shares hit over 2-year low after missing Q4 profit estimates. Okay, and you can see this big gap down drop. Okay, if I go to daily time frame, okay, you can see how it went to below this level of around 1360. Okay, so now let me go back to weekly time frame and show you something interesting. Okay, so this is Nifty's IT index, and you can see the same price action here also. The price dropped to this level of around 27,000. Okay, now if you notice clearly, then it has touched this level, previous level, which has acted as support multiple times, 3 times at least. Okay, and the level is same 27,000. so now it has come to this level, so there is a chance that it might start going up little bit from this point. Okay, so as this is showing the similar price action to Infosys, so let's draw the same let's try to spot the same support level in Infosys as well. So as you can see, the line, this line that I have drawn, it is around 1360, but the price has touched this level 1188. Okay, and then it started going up in the latter part of the day. So what we can do is we will try to bring this line down and see if there is any chance of a support level here as well. So if we bring this level here, then we can clearly see that this level has acted as resistance here. Okay, you can see this reaction to this level here, and then price went up again. Now it is coming down to this level. So there is a high probability that this level that I have drawn here, 1185, okay, this could act as a major level of support. Okay, but the question is, should you go and right away start purchasing stocks at this price or not? So the answer is no, you cannot, because there is no clear evidence that this is going to act as a support. Okay, we are just guessing. Okay, we do not have a confirmation, just because we are seeing a reaction here. You can see the reaction here, this acted as resistance, so we can expect that it will act as support now. Okay, because the price has dropped by 10%. okay, minus 10%, but we can, until we get confirmation, we cannot be sure about it, and we cannot take actions as well. Okay, so what we are going to do, so we are going to wait in the weekly time frame for the price to at least start showing upward momentum, and we'll try to use the moving average, the smallest one, that is the 30 period moving average. It should at least cross the price. Okay, the price should cross the moving average if this moving average is coming like this. Okay, and then it starts turning upward and the price takes support of that level, then this will be our point of entry. It will be somewhere around 1250. Okay, so you can keep in mind 1250 to 1300. This level, this entire level should be in your mind as the target level for entry. Okay, but until we get confirmation and we see such price action, we cannot make a move. This will not be a smart move. It might be, you can purchase the stock at low price if you enter right now 1185, but it is not a smart move. Okay, and this technique will always be successful. There is no guarantee about that. It might sometimes give you losses, and the price might show some action like this and start dropping sharply to the next level of support, that will be somewhere around 1050 or even below that. So now what we have to do, we just have to wait. But if you are an options trader or futures trader, then what you can do is wait for some price action like this and go to the daily time frame. Okay, go to the daily time frame and whenever you see that the uptrend has started weakening, okay, if it shows price action like this, and you can see, you can draw a trend line like this, if it shows weakness in price action and some it starts dropping below the trend line that you have drawn, okay, and we have a lot of way to go, okay, because it is just the beginning. We have at least we have to wait and watch for maybe 2 or 3 weeks to get such a price action, okay, and once this starts, it starts showing a price action like this by breaking the trend line supported by a moving average, at least the 30 period, then you can make short entries here, okay, around 1300 level, and keep somewhere around 1200 level as your target, okay. And if you want to do even in smaller time frames, you can do, but you have to wait for this setup, because if you make an early entry or exit, then it will obviously be very risky, because as you can see, there is a big gap here, okay, you can see this big gap here, and the buyers might try to close this gap, and it will be a risky situation. If you take a long position here or short position here, then it will be very risky. So what we have to do now, just wait and watch, see the price action for at least 1 to 2 more weeks, and then only we can decide what to do next. But if you are an investor, then definitely wait for the confirmation, and also you can invest in the ETF and in the entire index, okay, IT index ETF, okay, you can invest there also, and also in some of your favorite IT stocks, okay. If Infosys is one of your favorite stocks, you can invest there, but only after proper price action, and you can check the other stocks as well, like TCS and the other stocks in the index, okay. So that's all for this video. I hope this was helpful to you. Please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you found value in this video, and don't forget to check the other videos in my playlist. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye, take care.